Good morning, dear students. Today we are beginning with our course book, section 3. And today we are reading this poem, The Elephant and the Tragopan. So this is an excerpt only. This is only a passage, you can say, a paragraph from this complete poem named The Elephant and the Tragopan. Tragopan is name of the pheasant here, name of the pheasant family bird, in fact, here. It is a beautiful bird. So let's begin with it. In Bengal Valley, broad and green. Bengal means here natural. Bengal means here green. Bengal means here imaginary. So, what is there in this beautiful green valley? In beautiful green valley, it's broad. It's very immense. It's very we can say wide, and it is green in color, where neither hut nor field is seen. But what is there in this valley? There isn't even a single hut, even a single house, and there isn't even a single field. Means there isn't any living means here there isn't any person who's living. Means there isn't living any human being, only birds, we can say, only other wild creatures there were living. Where bamboo like a distant lawn. There is green colored bamboo, and distance means as far as we can look, it's green like a lawn, it is green in color. Is gold at dusk and flushed at dawn. What happened in the morning? Dusk is evening here. Means it used to be golden in this period and flushed at dawn, and in the morning time it used to blossom. As this is forest area, this is wide green area, so here morning and evening what can a person see? Only and only greenery and nothing else. Where this flower, rhododendron, forest crown. So this is a beautiful red colored flower. Clear? Forest crown it is here. So how it is looking? It is looking like a crown, as flowers used to be at the top of a tree. So it seems that this forest, these trees had worn this crown of red colored flower. The hills and wandered halfway down. Wherever on the hills and wandered halfway down, where we can see in this valley also, everywhere this flower, this forest is crowned with this red color rhododendron flower in scarlet blossom. And what happened? There is a bird, scarlet bird, as it's given here, scarlet red colored horns are here. The scarlet blossom, where each year means this scarlet used to come here each year, a dozen shy black bears appear. Not only this scarlet, but dozen means near about 12, or we can say more than 12. Shy means timid black bears also used to appear in this forest area. Where a cold river, you can see here that where a cold river filmed with ice. The river of this place is also very cold. It's so cold as ice. Sustain a minor paradise, and it seems that we are enjoying the coldness of the paradise. An elephant and tragopan. Then what happened in this story in this forest? There once upon a time there was an elephant and a tragopan there. Discuss their fellow creature man. What they both are discussing? These both are discussing about their fellow creature. Fellow creature, we people are their fellow creature of the wild animals. So these both were discussing about something, about the man, about the human being. Let's discuss. The tragopan last week and heard the rumor from the another bird. Here the tragopan bird last week, now they both are talking that last week what happened, a tragopan bird was there and it had heard a rumor. Rumor is we can say a talk which is not based on any fact. So there was a rumor from another bird, and this rumor also he had heard from another bird, most probably. And which can be the bird? Most probably a quail, a sparrow. It can be either a quail or a sparrow. Means out of these two birds had told something to this bird. Such birds have gossips in their marrow. These birds were gossiping something about This area we can say about wildlife, we can say. Further poem we'll discuss tomorrow in the class, and with this I am giving you some assignments. I will send assignments in the group to you all, and you are going to underline answer in this. You are not going to do these questions anywhere else. You are just underlining these answers here. Firstly, I have to check have you underlined the correct answer or wrong. Thank you, class.